Children, today we are going to learn how to make wristwatch. Okay, using craft paper. So this is 10 by 10 centimeter craft paper and this is in square shape. Now we are going to fold it like this and make triangle. Okay, and fold it properly, and then again we take together another edges of square, then we get this center point. Then again we are going to fold it in center point, and then we get this shape. This is hexagon shape, as you can see, and again this long side of hexagon we have to fold it inside. Then again you can see this cylinder shape, then again fold it, and you can see, you can get the shape of this thing. Then again you fold this line into inside the corner. See, these corners you fold inside. Okay, then open it, and then whatever highlight, whatever that folding highlight is there, you have to just push inside and highlight that foldings and press it inside, and then this shape become like this. You will see, push it like this inside. Yes, now you can see this in again in little hexagon. Then again this plain line you have to fold inside. Okay, both sides you have to do the same. Flip the craft paper and do the same. Fold inside. Yes, and fold it properly. Again take this, yes, and fold it. Then you will get the shape like this. Okay, and then you have to open it. When you have to open it, you just again pressed, yes, and it will give you the shape of watch. Just put your finger inside and open that square, and you will get the shape of this watch. Okay, so the structure of our watch is ready. Now we have to just cut the watch, whatever in we use here, square shape or circle or oval, it is up to you. We have already cut watches in the shapes like this. See, now we are going to paste watch in circle. See, on watch there is square, but we can paste any shape on that particular square. Okay, you just take some Fevicol and just paste it there, and put your finger, fix it with fingers. Okay, with the use of fingers inside you put, yes, see, like this you have to just paste it. Yes, and this is your watch is ready. If you want to decorate this watch, then we have already cut some hearts in green color. I have already cut these hearts in green color, and then we can paste it like this. Then if you have any stickers, stars, or any cartoon stickers in your at your home, then you can easily paste there. That, okay, you need not cut it. If you have, you just stick it, and this is ready. So this watch is ready. Okay, and I have already made this for you. One we use square shape and other is in circle shape. So children, try it and enjoy this activity.